No, we gonna take that right though. Wow. Up through the bump. As you can see.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You're bringing back memories, bro. I don't like that.
Hey, yo, that is crazy. What's happening, YouTube? LTR Marco back here with another YouTube video. In today's video, Oneway is gonna be taking over my city. I ain't gonna lie, bro. They all came from like all different parts of the world.
Like, look what we have here.
We not outside, are we inside the garage?
Yeah, we inside the garage, man. Carlos was already here, but he's still here. You know, my guy Ev. But like, they really pulled up to invade my shit. Like, yo, Lon, what are you doing here, bro? Free smoke. Whoa, ow, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're bringing back memories, bro. I don't like that.
Hey, yo, that is crazy.
Got real out here just fixing his joint. I don't even know what's going on with it. Wait, there's a red one now? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that's definitely the best looking one.
Over the green?
Yeah.
Over the all black?
Yeah. Over the green and black. Y'all let me know though. Yo, Martin, finna give my bike a try. Feels so weird. It's the bike, bro, I'm telling you. Carlos, get on my bike. Let Carlos try. I wanna see if maybe Rel.
Martin can't do that.
Oh, yo, tell him what you just said.
I mean, Rel can hop on any bike and do what he do on his bike. Martin can't do that. That's why Rel #1.
Oh.
You feel me?
Oh. Yo, Rel. Yo, I think
if I jumped, I would hit my head.
I think I'm smelling the battle.
And my man Rel said Martin getting the belt today. It's still big old WTO, bro. God, you out.
I know, right? Is it my brakes? It just don't feel right. Something about it. It don't feel floaty no more. Oh yeah, nah. Oh, he actually got it? Oh, nah. For real? The bomber with gears? Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna be trying Corey's bike. All right, Carlos, you're gonna start it off for us. Let's go. Wop. Oh my God. Already? Wop. Wop. Oh. What? He's still. Oh, yeah. Land that. Yeah. What up? Yeah, what up? Ah. Let's go, Rel. Yep, through the bumps. Yep. Walk them now. Oh, no way. What? What? No. No way. What? Bro, exactly. That's why I'm catching it. Yep. Nah, bro. Tell him, Corey. Let's go. Yeah, Rel. Yeah, Rel. Let's go. Wop. Wop. Keep that up. Keep that up. No way. Just land. Just land. Just land. Oh my. No way. Oh my God. Yo, bro. Nah, bro. There's no way, bro. Bro, what? Oh my God, no! No! Just jump. Oh! I just got here. What's good, bro?
I want to ask you a question, sir.
What up?
Remember one specific day, give or take a year and a half ago, I was riding my bicycle in South Shore Plaza, a Braintree, and then some lady was like, pop it up and I'll call Marco, and then she called you.
I don't remember that, bro.
That's fair.
Yeah. Okay, nah, but anyway, yeah, I just got here. Yo, what up, bro? Yo. I'm good.
What's poppin'?
Good, bro.
What you been up to?
Chilling. Just chilling, recording. Like I was saying, feel me? I just got here and it's deep. Julian's on my bike. Feel me? It is active. Yo, Ray! What?
Yo, what up, bro? Oh, yes, sir. Yo, active. Yo, what up, bro?
Picture, bro.
How you doing? Yo. Oh, you want a picture?
Yeah.
I got you.
Can I get a picture too after?
Yeah, I got you. Yo, can you record for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. My guy Gooey here. That's my guy Gooey. Feel me? Alright, it's about to be active today, my boy. It's about to be active today. Yo, Dave!
You want some right now? Yeah, come on. Let me go. Let me get in, man.
Yo! What? No! Bumpy!
I'm too fat to do a backflip. I'm too fat to do a backflip.
Yo, yo! Getting real crazy, yo! Shout out to the kid watching my bike, bro. I love you. Let's go. Okay. Wait now. Yo, show him what that trainer do. Yes, sir. There it is. There you go.
Okay.